Okay, hello, good day everyone. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joshua. I want to do a recap for the week, last week Friday, and I want to just show you how you can effectively trade the financial market. And this is one of the videos that you don't see mentors sending on the public channel. But if you can follow through with this video, I promise you that you will know everything you need to trade the financial market. I'm not going to do for Fridays. Just follow my pattern, and you discover that trading the market can be very easy. But I would like you to like, subscribe to this channel, and share to friends and family, because this is something that's going to be of highly beneficial to you all. All right, let's get into the charts. Let's not waste much of the time. I've listed several pairs from. I see what you can say here, but I trade majorly these three pairs. And weekends I trade BTC or Ethereum. So for now, I'm going to start with USD. Let's start and see how far it will take us. Now this is how I trade the market. I start from a daily time frame. I mark the previous day low as my draw on liquidity, and then I name it my normal draw on liquidity. So after that, I'll move to the 4 hours time frame. When I move to 4 hours time frame, you can see as this is your 2 o'clock candle. I normally start my analysis by 8 o'clock in the morning. So as at 2 o'clock, let's say this candle has not been swept, or let's say it has been swept. This liquidity has just been swept. On the 4 hours, you can see at this point, this is your break of structure. I'm sorry, this is not for beginners. If you're a beginner, I'll do more videos to start, but this is for advanced traders. You can see that the liquidity has been swept on the 4 hours time frame. So for now, I will see here as my 4 hours draw on liquidity. So that will be my 4 hours draw on liquidity. So that will be my 4 hours draw. So I'll just name this as liquidity because price did not close below it. So I just call it from this point. Price is likely going back up. From here. So let me keep bigger. So I want to be fast so I can cover more pace. You can see that from this point here, price liquidated this place, so it pulled back up. So I'll now start checking my price action from whatever happens here. Then I'll look for my internal range liquidity to see what's actually happening. So here I'll now come to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see also that price also liquidated this place here, right? So here will also be my 1 hour draw on liquidity also. So here will now be my 1 hour draw on liquidity. So the 4 hours and the 1 hours are together. Let me just name it 4 hours stroke 1 hour draw. So I'll just save it. Say my draw on liquidity 4 hours stroke 1 hour are both together. So alright, so I've gotten that said. Now what's our point of interest? I will say okay, on the 1 hour, this is the one of the that was not able to pull down and the price downward, and you can see that price has actually mitigated the origin of what actually caused the push in price. The price went up. So at this point here now, so I'll now move to the 15-minute time frame to see what the 15 minutes is also telling me. So I'll move to the 15 minutes. You can see I'm very fast. Can refine it more to this point. Right now you can see at the 15-minute price is already at the. You can see the 15-minute price broke structure here. It's clear. This is last structure that price broke. Price broke structure. So because I saw the book of structure, I can confirm this is my 15-minute draw on liquidity. Now this is where it gets more complex now the 15 minutes is telling you that okay, I want to go and seek internal liquidity. The 4 hours is still going down. There's no confirmation that price has actually shift structure. So 15 minutes is tallying with the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So now you can see this broken structure and the 15-minute time frame here. So what do I expect to see? there's a break of structure into the 15 minutes, into the 4 hours demand zone. I can say even this place is also a demand zone. The price has not actually mitigated, so you can see also. So I'll take this as inducement to get to this price. So what I can see here, I can see that price came here and liquidate this place, which I want to see a liquidation. Then price came, broke structure here. So that is it. I know I'm in for a sell, so I'll just take price, wait for price to reverse back to this other block, and I'll take my sell here and target on this high. That's about 10 pips, and I'll just target 1 to 3, or I'll first target this place, my first target. Then I can trail the trade to, as long as I want. So this is for Friday trade. This is for Friday. So let's move to gold. The same process, the same thing I did here. Now you come to the daily time frame. Now when you come to the daily time frame, so market close bearish, I'll mark that as my draw. I'll just mark it as my normal draw, where I'm expecting price to come and sweep. Right? So I'll now move to the 4 hours time frame. I'll move to the 4 hours time frame. So the 4 hours time frame, so price has not been swept, so the draw is still pushing down. That is what I'll just see. Okay, right now let me see. There's a break of structure here. One. There's a break of structure here. A break of structure. Then there's another break of structure here. Break of structure. So I can say this is my 4 hours draw because I'm seeing some structure. I just see this is my 4 hours draw there. So what POI will I be looking at? Now I can see clearly there's no PO, there's no really strong just mark it and see what price is doing there, and you can see that at the point you just have to just mark it anyway, and see and observe what price is actually doing there. So you mark it. Also, this is another POI that price has not mitigated, so I'll be looking at how many POI. I'll also be looking at this fair value gap here. You can see fair value gap here. Actually it has been mitigated, so this has invalidated this. So now this price is here, so I'm expecting price to reverse into any of these POI, point of interest, before I can consider taking a sell to liquidate this 4 hours drawn. So now I'll move to the 1 hour to see what the 1 hour is saying. So at the 1 hour, you can see, you can rearrange here. This is your break of structure. This is the last. You can see at this point price liquidated this place here. So this is liquidity. So now what do you see right now? Because price liquidated here. So at this point, what is price doing at this point in time? That's where it starts to start calculating analysis. So here was liquidated, then price came and broke structure here to the upside. So then price came. I'll now see this place as my next draw, 1 hour draw on liquidity. It's now my 1 hour draw on liquidity. So I expect to see reaction from probably, let me say, this origin. This is this origin. Yeah, origin, and see what happened there. So I expect price to come back to this origin because it just broke structure. I'll see price to come back to this origin and take out, because this only POI I can see over here. You understand? This is only POI I can see. So I'm waiting for price to come to this before I can take a buy. So I'll come to the 15 minutes and see what the 15 minutes is saying. So from the 15-minute time frame, you can see actually it's true. There's a lot of choppy reaction from this place you're seeing here. So I can just say, okay, maybe this region here should be my